This 2017 Heartland Wilderness 2775 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 31 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Heartland Wilderness 2775 RB is 6,280 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.